Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a 2005 Hoffmann Mu2 Dovetail key machine. It's a really nice, well-kept, complete machine from a small shop, and it really does show. First of all, you get the original manual, original tool accessory kit with wrenches. They do have the self-adhesive stick tapes that were never put onto the machine. Glasses, earplugs. You do get the center template. You're also going to get a left and a right flip stop, along with this multi-stop in the center here. You're also going to get a full box of W2s in 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch. You're also going to get a couple sticks of oak and maple keys that are cut to length. This machine does operate on single phase, so it's basically just a 110 volt machine that you plug into the wall. Really simple to operate. There are no issues with this machine. You basically just come up and pull this handle, and when the bit gets above the bottom of the material, it's just going to automatically start. I'm going to run it for an extended period now so you can hear the bearings. It pretty much runs as new. As you can see, it's just a complete, clean, mildly used machine. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.